Okay, this is a iGCSE little introduction for section 2B mains electricity. Equations, we're looking at power in watts is current in amps times voltage or potential difference in volts. Typically for iGCSE, they use the term voltage. I like to use the term potential difference, but they do write it an awful lot, so you can use it. Power then is IV or power is VI typically. Energy transferred in a circuit in joules will be current times the voltage times the time. You need to do that in seconds and convert from minutes or hours. E equals IVT or E equals VIT. And of course, you've got power there. Having P could be here. So energy is power times time because power is the rate. Quantities and symbols, we need to introduce the ampere, the coulomb, the joule, the watt, the ohm. Time, of course, you should know, and volt, V for voltage, or typically we should call it potential difference, clearly. We need to know about the 3-pin plugs, so the earth wire, the green and yellow, the neutral, the blue, which stays neutral, the live, which oscillates as an alternating current between plus or minus 325, but is actually a DC equivalent of 230 volts at 50 hertz. And we've got a fuse. We need to know about what fuses do, the structure of the plug and the materials it's made of. We also need to know about safety devices, so circuit breakers, the term double insulation, which means basically things with a plastic case do not need an earth wire. Fuses as well, and ground as a symbol. And then, of course, you've got all these electrical symbols. Now, initially, you only need the basic ones, but when you get to year 11, you will need to know them all. We also need to know about the national grid. So national grid that transmits and transforms power from high or low current to high or low potential difference to reduce energy losses in transit. So power loss is I squared R. So as I transmit my power, power is power. Hopefully what you're trying to do is deliver the same amount of power that you start out with. But what you can't do is actually change your power to increase it, but you can alter the potential difference or current by using transformers to reduce these power losses. So there's a little bit about that. You need to know the difference between alternating current and direct. So AC goes two ways, DC just goes one. So there you go. That's mains electricity, quick summary.